Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Biometrics and Security. This is where fingerprint data lives. Once there, unlock with your PIN, pattern, or password so the system lets you make changes. Then tap Fingerprints to see the list of saved prints. You're now in the right place to remove entries. This step prevents accidental changes and ensures the device authenticates you before deletion. So make sure to authenticate fully before moving to the next slide. You'll now select the specific fingerprint you want to delete. Tap its name or icon to reveal more options. Once visible, choose Remove or Delete and then confirm when the prompt asks, because that final confirmation wipes the template. If you have multiple fingerprints, repeat this exact action for each one. Taking them out individually avoids removing the wrong print. Make sure to pause and re-authenticate if the phone asks again, as some models require verification between deletions. You finish by locking the phone and testing that the removed fingerprint no longer unlocks it. This verifies success. Then go back to Biometrics and Security to confirm the fingerprint list only shows the remaining entries, ensuring nothing was accidentally left. If deletion fails, try rebooting, check for a system update, or clear the Settings app cache. These steps fix glitches. If problems persist, contact Samsung support or visit a service center for secure assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.